It's now 11 minutes after 8 o'clock. You know, the solar eclipse, what's less than 2 weeks away.
That's right.
August 21st. And have you decided where you're going to watch? It's a once-in-a-lifetime event. So travel expert Tamela Rich is here joining us now with a few places where we can go. How you doing? It's great to see you.
Doing great.
First of all, I want to say, you've been on some big trip. You've been where?
Well,
everywhere.
I've been everywhere, man.
Yes.
So mostly I've been in the Blue Ridge, and then I went out west. I went to Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, and back again. It's been a great summer.
And all this was on a motorcycle.
That's right.
On a motorcycle. She is truly a travel expert and has the iron butt to prove it, right? Is that what we're going to say?
I got 2 iron butt certificates. That's actually a thing. The iron butt
I'm
riders.
not being disrespectful.
No.
We were talking about that earlier. That's great stuff. You've traveled. How many miles on a motorcycle would you say you've traveled?
Oh, gosh, 75,000, I think.
Something else.
It's been
All
fun.
right, let's get to the topic at hand here. And that's the eclipse. And everybody's trying to find where are the best places to go. And you've got some great ideas.
Well, you know, a lot of folks are going to go to South Carolina because they're going to get a lot of exposure. But a perfect place to see it in North Carolina is our newest state park, which is in Transylvania County, near Brevard. It's gorgeous, like as in there are lots of gorges.
Yes.
And it's gorgeous.
Yes, it is gorgeous, gorgeous, yes.
I was just there in leaf season, and they've got a ton of programming. So you can go, you may not be able to take the whole day Monday and go out. So go on the weekend, go Saturday, Sunday. There is continuous program at Gorgeous State Park, which has a beautiful LEED certified brand new visitor center.
Oh, wow.
Great programming. They're including programs for kids, falconry.
Yes, falconry.
Arts and crafts, a lot of stuff about the moon cycles. They're going to have great programming. And you got to remember to take your approved solar watching glasses.
Yes.
That's really important. Now, some of these venues are going to offer them, but don't count on it. They may run out.
Yeah, I imagine they'll run out.
Get your own. And you know, you can get them from, you know, a number of places.
Yes, go on the NASA website and it'll tell you the approved retailers that are offering them, and then you can pick from there. You want to make sure you get the good ones.
You got to make sure they're like ISO. I've got an ISO number here. It's ISO 12312-2 international standards. Don't settle for less. Your eyes are really important.
Right, because if you look at that sun for any length of time without proper protection, you're going to ruin your eyes.
You will.
And you will. That's the rest of your life. How about that?
So as far as lodging.
Yes.
Now that's a little dodgy because people have been planning ahead. You know, we've known this has been coming. There's a woman at the Brevard Chamber of Commerce. Her name is Prentice, and she keeps up with all the lodging locally. You can call the Brevard Chamber of Commerce. Another good recommendation from Prentice at Brevard is Airbnb and VRBO, maybe TripAdvisor, people that are just renting short-term rentals that you can, you know, get a long weekend, go there. And we've got a map of campgrounds in the area. There are several campgrounds in the area. And when you're this far west, you're not going to have any city light pollution. You're going to get a great experience.
It'll be good. Tamela Rich, thank you for that great information. We'll have it on our website, WBTV.com. Transylvania County is a beautiful county. It's a great place to visit.
Lovely.
All right, 14 after 8. We'll be back right after this. Stay with us.